Dear students, now we will discuss about the formation of holes in semiconductors. Now we discuss about the formation of holes in semiconductor. This can be studied in two ways. Firstly, we discuss about the formation of holes on the basis of energy band diagram of semiconductors. As we know that valence band is completely filled and conduction band is completely empty in case of semiconductors, and there is a small gap nearly 1 electron volt between the valence band as well as conduction band. At 0 Kelvin, the semiconductor behaves as insulator because no electron jump from valence band to conduction band. But at higher temperature, or you can say that at room temperature, some of the electrons acquire this small amount of energy, nearly 1 electron volt energy, and jump from valence band to conduction band, leaving behind the sheet or vacancy of electron from where the electron jump from valence to conduction band. This sheet or vacancy, which is created due to the movement of electron from valence to conduction band, is known as hole. So, hole, what is hole? It is the vacancy of electron in the valence band. So, hole is considered as a sheet of positive charge which has charge equal to that of electron, and hole is active particle in the valence band and electron is active particle in the conduction band. The motion of holes in valence band as well as electrons in conduction band constitute the electricity when we apply the electric field in semiconductors. Now, formation of holes on the basis of valence band study of semiconductor. Consider a semiconductor crystal of silicon or germanium under study. We know that silicon as well as germanium have 4 valence electrons. So, each 4 valence electrons of germanium atom form 4 covalent bond of the neighboring 4 germanium atoms. At low temperature, no electron is available for conduction of electricity, but as temperature is increased, suppose one of the electron acquires certain amount of energy which is larger than the energy gap for the germanium atom or silicon atom, then that electron becomes free after acquiring certain amount of energy, becomes free from the covalent bond. After breaking the covalent bond, इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्री हो जाएगा और जहां से इलेक्ट्रॉन जिस कोवलेंट बॉन्ड से फ्री होगा वहां पर क्या करेगा, एक वैकेंसी क्रिएट करेगा, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन की वैकेंसी क्रिएट हो जाएगी. ठीक है, दैट वैकेंसी इज नोन एज होल. तो एक कोवलेंट बॉन्ड जैसे ब्रेकअप होगा, एक कोवलेंट बॉन्ड के ब्रेकअप होने से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्री हो जाएगा और एक उसकी वैकेंसी क्रिएट हो जाएगी इलेक्ट्रॉन की. दैट वैकेंसी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन इज नोन एज होल. एज नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स free from the number of covalent bonds, as many number of electrons free as covalent bond breaks, and the same number of holes are created in the structure. So it is to be noted that breakage of each covalent bond produces one free electron and one hole in a crystalline lattice. Also, an electron from the neighboring atom can jump to this particular vacancy and form the complete covalent bond here, and creating the vacancy of electron which is known as hole at any another place. Suppose यहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन कोवलेंट बॉन्ड ब्रेकअप करके फ्री हो जाता है, तो यहाँ से फ्री होगा इलेक्ट्रॉन, सपोज वो यहाँ चला गया तो इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ चला जाएगा और होल ये यहाँ मूव कर जाएगा. In this sense, the electron move as well as hole moves in the crystal structures. This is how the hole formation take place in the semiconductor.